How to turn off notifications on Bumble. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it off. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left bottom, you can see this profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. Now here on the right top, tap on settings. Now we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to see different options that are available. Now slowly scroll down to the bottom part. Here, tap on notification settings. So here, there are different notification settings that you can turn off. So simply tap on new messages and turn it off. So the push notification has been turned off. Here on the bottom, there are different categories too. So you can simply tap on them and unselect the one that you don't want. So you can customize it according to your needs. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.